Hi everyone, today we'll share you a good method to transfer messages to Samsung Galaxy S9. Syncios Manager is a comprehensive mobile phone assistant which can not only manage a phone but also can one-click backup and restore your data. What's more, Syncios Ultimate contains the fully function of Syncios data transfer. Let's start it right now. Launch Syncios Manager and connect your Samsung Galaxy S9 to computer. Then select SMS option on the left panel. All the messages of your S9 will show on the screen. Click Recover button on the menu bar and select the certain message backups you want. Finally, click OK to launch the transferring process. Of course, the message backups are what you've made by Syncios Manager previously. If you like our video, please subscribe us on YouTube. For more information, please visit www.syncios.com. Thanks for watching.